Hello guys, my name is Irene. Welcome to my channel. I've been on this journey of having the virgin hair for a few years. And I've had a lot of ladies ask me, what do you apply on your hair? How do you comb your hair? And I've seen a whole lot of ladies that started this virgin hair journey before me, and they gave up. So, and when you get to ask them and they're like, oh, it's hard to comb, it's painful, it's all that, not growing and all that, well, I'm going to be giving you some tips on how to maintain your virgin hair and how to comb it. But today, it will be how to comb your hair. I basically use this product, not in the container. My younger sister got something new and I had to tell her to give me some because I couldn't purchase mine just around my area. This is water. And hey guys, no need going out there to spend a whole lot of money, okay? You can, this was my air freshener bottle and I just had to, when I finished using it, I had to put in water. So it's very easy to just spray when you need it. Rather than throwing your stuff, please, okay? There is beauty when you recycle things, okay? So I'm just going to be using my hair and I'll show you what to do. So stay with me guys. Okay, so guys, this is what we have. I had to lose up all my twists and we have this, okay? But now I'm going to be showing you how I comb my hair. That makes it so easy for me. When people complain about the pain of combing hair, guess what? It's not me. So what a lot of ladies do is that they go ahead to start combing from here. As it is so dry. You're going to be fighting with this hair. It's going to be so painful. So this is dry, you can't comb. It really would not go through. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to moisten the hair. Just apply some moisture to it. I'll just go around and spray through my hair. Okay, this might take a while. So guys, right now, just by feeling it, I can see that it is doing a good job already. Water is doing a very good job. So you're just going to use your hand to further massage the hair, okay? Just take your time and do it. Just massage, okay? What this does is that it helps soften the hair better, yeah? It will soften the hair. And guess what? I haven't combed this hair yet, and some of the twists are already losing up. Okay? So guys, over to the next stage. This is where your hands comes in. Listen to me. Before you get into putting in a comb in your hair, make sure you've used your hands sufficiently, alright? So we are going to use our hands to gradually detangle the hair. So you can just go ahead to cut it into some. Just go ahead to cut the hair with your hands, okay? I'm trying as much as possible to make this very simple, okay? Okay, so you're going to be using your hands to detangle the hair. So I'm just going to apply some of this product on it. Okay, just a little. And massage, gradually massage this on this portion of the hair that you had to cut out. Just massage. This product has multi functions. It aids in it will detangle the hair, and okay, specifications are out there. I'm going to put in the specifications. Guys, nobody is paying me to advertise this product. Just using my church mind. I hope they see me. Okay, so we're just going to gradually use our hands to detangle, to massage and detangle. Guys, let's just look at this. So soft already. See? the resistance has reduced. Okay. So this is what you're basically going to do, just using your fingers to gradually separate the hair. Okay. See? Guys, just take a good look at this. Without a comb, okay? This is just without a comb, and this is good to go. Just look at this. Without a comb, and it's already doing a good job. Okay? So now I can go ahead to introduce my comb. I'm just using my comb, and you gradually want to comb this, okay? Don't be aggressive, but just see how simple this is. Just see how simple this is. Okay? No pain, no pain. No pain, no gain. Doesn't apply here, okay? This is pain free because my hands has done the work already. So you want to compare this with this. Oh, come on. Now just go ahead and give this a twist so it doesn't get mixed up with the other ones. So just twist this up. Okay, so I'm basically going to do the same for the others. I'm just going to cut them into portions, do the same thing, and then we are good to go. So guys, it's actually okay to have some hair loss. And if you look at my comb, I have some. I haven't combed this hair for a very long time. So there are definitely hair strands that will be worn off. So it's okay. Don't get afraid when you see some hair on your comb, okay? Okay, so I've been able to do everything, the entire hair. So you can go ahead to apply any oil or hair treatment of your choice. It could be coconut oil or any other oil you have, shea butter. And this is what I have available. You mustn't use anything, any hot oil that is good, but this is what I have available, the Afro King. Yeah, this is what I have available. So I'm just going to go ahead and separate the hair and apply, making sure it touches my scalp, and then I'll give it a twist again. So to avoid the stress, you could just put some of it at the back of your hands, and it becomes easier to just take a little and massage on your hair, making sure it touches your scalp and massage. Okay, and then you can just twist again. So guys, after this phase, you could just go ahead and style up your hair to any style of your choice if you have to, if you were going out. If not, you could just join me or just make a twist just as I would do right now. I won't be going out for now, so I'm just going to apply some on my hair. Just twist until when you're ready to go out, then you can untwist and style up your hair. When you come back, just go ahead and do the same routine, okay? Okay, so guys, so we are done with the twisting, and this is basically it. My twist is not perfect, it's just for a few hours because I'm going out in the evening. But if you want to make yours perfect, that's fine. If not, you could just do it like mine, sleep, and when you wake up in the morning, you could just go about it the way you want to, okay? not hiding my identity. My identity, I'm redeeming. No. That's basically it for this video. And please, if you found this helpful, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up, please. Don't hold the likes to your chest. Don't hold it. Just don't hold the likes to yourself. So just give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any difficulties, or you have a question, or you want me to make a video on something else that could be helpful to you, please, you could just go ahead and leave your comment on the comment section. And also, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when next I make a video. So thank you for watching me do the trick, and I'll be dropping more videos next time. So just don't forget to put on your notification bell, and I am off. So see you guys. See you. So bye.